Hey guys, so if you want to change the units, the measuring units or the language on your Peugeot 2008, you're gonna need your central console, and basically we're looking to go into the settings. Here we need to find not the updates system, and here you can choose the language, like English is set right now, and we can change the units for kilometers or miles, and we can also change the units for the temperature, and you can also factory reset your settings here. So if, let's say, you want to change to miles per gallon, just click here. So if you want to change for miles per gallon, just click here and hold for a second, then let go. Takes a little bit of patience. And there we go, we have set to the miles per gallon.